Good day, Simple Cook. Today we are going to cook this broccoli in a very simple way. Please watch the whole video. Please consider subscribing for my inspiration. Ingredients:
chopped garlic,
sliced meat, sliced tomatoes half ripe, fresh broccoli. You can slice the ingredients in any way you wanted them to be. Oyster sauce. Let us start by heating a wok or any pot. You can use butter or any oil for this, but for me, I am using coconut lard for cooking. Sauté the garlic until it produces a nice smell, or if you want, until golden brown. Next is to put the sliced meat. Put about a glass of water so that the meat will be cooked properly or until tender. Mix the meat once in a while so it will be cooked evenly. If it is already tender, season it with oyster sauce. The amount will depend on your taste. Cover and let it continue to cook until tender. Once done, put the main ingredient, the broccoli, cover it and let it cook. The length of time for cooking this depends on you. If you want it cooked very tender, then let it stay on fire for a longer time, but for me, I want it just half cooked, so I let it stay on fire covered for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that time of 2 to 3 minutes, season it with any seasonings that you want to, like magic syrup and etc. But for me, since I seasoned it already with oyster sauce, adding it with salt is just fine. Give it another minutes for the salt to melt and mix the evenly. The mixing of this thinly sliced half-ripe tomatoes is optional. I just love crunchy tomatoes on my vegetables. It is just so good and healthy. After mixing the tomatoes evenly, remove it immediately from fire so the tomatoes will remain crunchy. Thank you for watching.